welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sammy Purple Money. Today I'm going to be unboxing my accessories, my cameras and my camera equipment that I'll be using to shoot and edit my videos. So here I have with me GoBox. Yes, you can see this is GoBox. Join me as I unbox this beautiful equipment. Right. Yeah, you can see this. This is the equipment, and then you can see the GoBox bag. Okay. So this is how GoBox looks like when you open it. Wow. This is the cover, the light screen, and this is okay. I think we are getting there. So yeah, this is how the GoBox looks like. I think this is attached to this part before it is being used for standing. This is another product. This is a camera tripod stand. So I'll be unboxing the camera. This is deluxe lightweight video photo tripod. So this is basically for camera. It fits perfectly. This is when you want to shoot on a steady, right? You have this camera tripod stand, so you have a steady and balanced shot. This is Canon EOS 60D. I'll be unboxing this camera. So let's see what we got. You can see first we have the book. So I think this book just teaches us how we can fix and then use the camera, take pictures and all of that. So it's very, very essential. And yeah, it also comes with a 64 gig USD card, 64 gig card. And then this is the charger, because this is a rechargeable battery card and camera. This is the charger. This is the camera handle. Let's say you want to hang on the camera. This is the handle, and this is the lens. So we have the lens for the camera. This when you adjust the camera. This is the camera lens. This is the cover. This is the camera. Woo! You can see how beautiful the camera is. Yes, it is also a video camera, not just. It's also a video camera. It's a very good one. Yep, I think we are good to go. So I think next will be me trying out the camera and see how it takes pictures.